Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to fix download failed in eFootball 2026. To do this, first tap on OK and go back. Now go to your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on apps. Now search for eFootball. Scroll down and tap on storage. Tap on clear cache and clear app data. Go back, scroll up and tap on permissions. Allow all permissions. Go back and go to your file manager and make sure you have enough storage. And go to your Play Store and search for eFootball and update your eFootball if it's available. And finally check your internet connection. Switch your internet connection between mobile data and Wi-Fi and then tap on play. By doing this easy process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.